I'm meteorologist TJ Del Santo with a very quick update on the weather. We're seeing some very heavy rain working its way across parts of southeastern Massachusetts. In fact, a flood warning has been issued for Fall River, as we are going to be seeing some significant street flooding occurring this morning. That warning in effect until 11:30. You can see the progression of this rain working its way on off across parts of southern New England, especially in southeastern Mass and the urban area of Fall River. That's where we could be dealing with some problems related to flooding. So satellite radar pictures showing that rain continuing through the morning, but we will be seeing some clearing during the afternoon. Rain showers till about noontime or so, and then we'll begin to see increasing amounts of sunshine with temperatures in the mid-70s. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for a lot more weather-related information. Again, we have a flood warning in effect for Fall River until 11:30, as we could be seeing significant street flooding there. Be sure to stay tuned for updates.